Hi, my name's David Sickles. Welcome to FE on the Road. Your trucks are complex, expensive pieces of equipment. So when it comes to your maintenance needs, deciding whether to go in-house or use an outsourced provider can also be complex. Going in-house can give you greater transparency across each member of your fleet, from the service manager to the driver, which will ultimately lead you to better and more accurate information about how your vehicles are being driven. But going all out with the do-it-yourself approach isn't easy. Cost, quality, and the length of the outside repair cycle are the key factors influencing the in-sourcing decision. Think about the size of your fleet, your budget, shop and technician resources, service territories, and all of your operational needs. Plus, remember that maintenance doesn't just occur in the shop, it happens on the side of the road too. Roadside assistance can be fairly difficult to complete due to how complex a truck's equipment can be in today's world. Breakdown services now require highly trained and certified technicians to ensure proper diagnosis and repair. Fully outfitted mobile service vehicles equipped with the same diagnostic tools as traditional shop facilities are also often needed, and so is access to diagnostic information such as fault codes. Because of this, you'll find some fleets opt for a hybrid approach. They handle some of the simpler, expected maintenance in-house, but opt for a service partnership for when things go south on the open road. In fact, managing breakdowns can be made considerably easier with the range of roadside assistance programs available from truck manufacturers, leasing organizations, truck stop networks, and other service providers. Investing in the tools, technologies, and technicians required to provide fleets with effective roadside assistance, those operations connect fleets with the help they need and get trucks and drivers back on the road as quickly as possible. For more trucking equipment content, head over to feontheroad.com. Thanks for watching.